What is your name?
My name is Phyllis Wambui Nguyo.
Phyllis Wambui Nguyo.
Yeah.
From where?
From Gatunganga sub-location, Gatonai village.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about you?
I'm a woman of high character and great solidity. I don't take Tasker. Tasker for farmers. Settlers for city sweepers. Whiskey for kings and princes. My dessert I take causes chaos in my stomach. I do geography wonderfully. English comes automatically. Mathematics is my favorite subject, although history is a bit tough to me. I've done my KGC, O-level. A-level and graduation is my usual career. Moreover, to talk with, KCP drops out through my dignity. If you feel jealous of my English, you may turn back your crucial occupation and have audacity to philosophize myself, philosophy, otherwise you ignorage my neurological ignorance. And I'm born catch before stamp. So I don't care. I care for the time I'm around. So much for that, and what have you?
Thank you. You are very educated.
Yeah.
You don't take Tasker.
I don't take Tasker. Tasker are for farmland farmers.
For farmers.
Yeah.
Yeah.